So today I feel like writing something heavy and chuggy on this vintage style Telecaster, and that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna start in drop B with these chords. Drums and bass, let's get ready. Now the way we do this in the series is I'm gonna use the next 8 to 10 minutes to write a full track and put a solo on top, so you might want to stick around for that. Now, what we're using here is a drum beat that is super bouncy and easy to dance to, right? Like that. Now, we're only using octaves so far, and we don't have any melody going because of that. So we need to change that. So let's think of some chord voicings first. Something like this. Here we go. Sounds nice, right? Sounds uplifting, hopeful, bright. Now when you're choosing voicings, you could obviously go in another direction as well. Sad and dark. But we want to use this for this one, like a bright and uplifting, super nice, positive voicing. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we need to put some rhythm in this. Because right now, these are just chords, right? Something like this gives a cool rhythmic element. I like that. Let's stick with that. Now the next thing is, we need something for the back part. Didn't like that. Too melodic, too sad. We need something else. I like that way better, it fits better to the first part. I like this is nice. Now, the next thing is, it sounds nice, it has a good voicing, the rhythmic element is there, but I don't know about you, but I don't feel any excitement there just yet. It just flows and it's not exciting and it's, a little bit boring maybe. So let's try to chug a little more and use more palm mutes to get the heavy thing going. Let's see what that does. No, I don't like that. Doesn't work here. We need something else. Why not try to play the lines that we just wrote at 16th triplet speed instead of regular 8th notes? Hell yeah! Super nice. Super heavy, super chuggy. I love that. Now let's try the same thing with the back part too. Okay, let's go all the way. Woo-wee! That's exactly what we wanted. I absolutely love that. That chugs and is heavy, I love it. Now, there's one thing that I'm missing in this one, guys, and it's, always ending on is a little bit repetitive because the sequence that we're using and looping is so short. So let's try and find an alternative ending that we can use and play every second time, like alternating between two different endings. Let's try this. exactly what I wanted. Yep, that's our riff. I love that. So I guess it's time for a solo, guys. Here we go. And that is your riff, and that is your solo. I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe to this channel if you like that stuff. And if you want to play solos like I do, if you want to learn that, check out my melodic soloing guitar course, my power pentatonics guitar course in the description down below. I'm Joey, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is the encore. So before you leave, maybe one more thing about what I used to get this sound. So Telecaster in drop B tuning, meaning standard tuning, E string down to a B, and then I went into my Fractal FM9, used a diesel VH4 profile, a boost, a delay. That's pretty much it. That gets you in the territory to chug with your Telecaster if you do it right. If you want to know more about my tone and how I'm getting it, check out my brand new tone course that is also in the description down below. So if you're interested in that, check that one out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.